Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week is actually my birthday week, and so this year I wanted to give myself a little treat, kind of spoil myself a little bit and get something that I've been eyeing and wanting for quite some time, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it with you. It is something I'm so excited for. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Here we have the pretty box. So when I got this bag, I wasn't actually intending on purchasing it the day that I got it. Me and my mom had went to the mall. We had just been like shopping, walking around. There's not a whole lot of shopping, but just walking around, getting a little bit of, walk in without this hot Florida sun. So we went to the mall so we could be indoors and walking. And we happened to be walking by, and mom was like, oh, we should just go in. And I was like, I don't want to go in. And she was like, come on, let's just go in and look around. And I'm like, well, I don't know, because they kind of follow you, and it is what it is, right? So we go in, and I told her that I had been wanting to get this bag specifically, and so she was like, well, your birthday is around the corner, like, why don't you just get it, just get it. And I was like a little surprised because my mom is very much the saver, not the spender, and so I was like so shocked that she was like, yeah, you should get it. And I was like, what is this? My mom is coming from her. Anyways, oh gosh, this is really tight. I am gonna see if I can just slide this off. And I got a little ribbon to go on top. There you go. If you guessed it, it is the Pochette Metis, or however you say it, I don't even know, but this is the bag. I thought this scarf was like just so perfect, so pretty for this bag, and I love that it has a little bit of pink in there, because pink is my favorite color if you know me. And I think it blended so perfectly because it has the brown, but it has a little bit of that ivory or off-white that just really balances out the bag, and then a hint of pink because I love pink. I really love the size of this bag. It just, like, you could fit so much in there. It's not too small, it's not too big. It has this like double clasp. You open it like that, and it has these two very spacious pockets inside. And there's a third pocket in the back with just some whatever, authentication from Louis Vuitton. And it does come with the, I'm not too familiar with the type of letter, but it's the very light letters. So over time, this will change into a more darker letter. I am gonna buy like little guards, the little protector guards, so you don't get as much scratch, because in the event that in the future you want to sell it, you want your bag to still be in really good condition. And there is this is the tag from the scarf, but there is a zipper in the back, and I can put like my cell phone in there, so it's perfect. So you could do like a top handle, carry it like a top handle, or you can do the strap, which is like the perfect length. I absolutely love this bag. They have the two-toned where it's like the reversible, like there's like a lighter color brown with this brown finish, but I wanted this specific one because I feel like this can match with like everything. You can do this for work, you can use it for travel, you can use it for like a night out. Like, it's just so versatile. So that's why I wanted to get this specific bag. It's absolutely beautiful, but this is the one I truly wanted, so I am so excited. Happy birthday to me. So that is what I got myself for my birthday this year. I think it's just like the most perfect bag, great size. You really could fit a good amount of stuff in here, because I always carry like my whole house. That's gonna be it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.